Speaking of Wall Street, were you in that room on Clubhouse today where they were broadcasting the trial?
I wasn't in the room that was broadcasting the trial. I was in the room after the congressional hearing with the lead law firm that is leading the class action lawsuit against Robinhood.
Yes.
So I'm with these lawyers and they're unpacking everything that happened in real time.
And what did they say? Because I'm so fascinated by this.
They didn't say anything that was revolutionary or anything that we didn't know already. But basically, Robinhood is a free trading app. Do you know why it's free?
Because they don't charge fees, do they? But they have to get fees from somewhere.
Right.
Yeah.
Do you know?
I was listening to part of it, and it was something to do with Citadel was able to, but they're kind of dodgy. And please explain.
So Robinhood takes the information from all these millions of retail traders, and because they have that information, they sell that information to Citadel and other giant institutions that can take that data, and this is called deal or order flow selling, front running. And once you know that like all these people are gonna buy Coca-Cola stock, you might buy it before them, so you get in low and everybody else gets in higher.
Wait a second,
and that's called front. That's a fact. And Robinhood was fined $65 million 2 years ago, which is like a drop in the bucket.
Yeah.
But this is also in the terms of service, and it's legal. And most people don't know that all of your information is being sold.
Oh my goodness! And Citadel as well, I was reading, has also been fined a bunch of times.
They have been fined. They're a huge company, and nobody wants to say this, but the whole, I guess the conspiracy side is that Citadel may also be illegally selling or sharing this information to the hedge funds, who can also front run and take the opposite position, profiting off what's called the spread. So it's like, if you already know who's going to win the World Series, you know how to bet.
Right. I mean, it's
so
cheating.
That's kind of like what the financial markets are kind of implying, or how some people are reading it. What was really interesting is, and they didn't talk about this in the congressional hearing, is as soon as all these mass complaints started happening, all the Robinhood traders were upset because Robinhood just stopped the trading.
Yeah,
like,
I read about that.
You can sell, but you can't buy. So, Robinhood has spent hundreds of millions of dollars to promote the fact that anybody should be able to trade. So why are you now stopping people from making money against the hedge fund guys? Are you protecting them? Are they paying you? Are they a customer of yours? That would be massively illegal. And then furthermore, right after that happened, because all the Robinhood traders were upset because they were frozen out and liquidated, like you done took my property and sold it for my protection, right? As I'm trying to make money.
Yeah.
Facebook removes 157,000 member group for Robinhood traders. They deleted it. Like instantly.
Wow.
And then, people are like, what happened? And they're like, oh, there was racist hate speech. Oh, really?
Oh, come on.
That's convenient.
Wow.
And so that group got deleted. So you're like, wow, what does Facebook have to do with this? Is Facebook in bed with Robinhood? Like, no. Are they in bed with somebody on a higher order? Like, who's making a call that can make Facebook move that quickly?
Wow.
And literally minutes after that, Google erased 100,000 one-star reviews.
I heard about that. That's insane.
So at the end of the day, it seems to be something off with Robinhood, the front running, the trades that ultimately lost Melvin hedge fund $7 billion. There seems to be a relationship to Google and Facebook. And are the connections representative of a much bigger picture that we're not aware of?
I'm really happy you've explained it to me, because I was sort of, I've read a few articles and was trying